Day activities with Kelvin. Now we are going to go on a nature hike with Kelvin. You excited about that, buddy? But what if you don't have a plush Kelvin? Well, I have good news for you. You can join the Kelvin Fan Club on the North Carolina Science Festival webpage, and you could even make your own flat Kelvin. So you can go to the festival website, find a flat Kelvin, print it out, cut it out, and you can take them on a walk with you. Or you could even just draw your own Kelvin. If you don't have a printer, you could draw a Kelvin, just like this one. Pause the video and you'll know what he looks like. And then you could take your own flat Kelvin on your own Earth Day nature walk. How exciting would that be? Let's go find out all the things Kelvin might like to find in the forest on Earth Day. So let's head out on our Earth Day walk. Here we go. Flat Kelvin loves to climb trees. Flat Kelvin loves to stop and smell the flowers on his Earth Day hikes. Ooh, they smell good. Flat Kelvin loves to play hide and seek when he goes for Earth Day walks. Do you see him? Kelvin, we found you! Flat Kelvin loves to explore waterways, and he might even go sailing today for Earth Day. Flat Kelvin loves to explore robot-sized waterfalls on his Earth Day walk. And some waterfalls are really gigantic compared to Flat Kelvin. Flat Kelvin really digs geology, and so of course he loves to check out rocks on his Earth Day hike. Right, Kelvin? Flat Kelvin loves to check out his shadow on his Earth Day walk. He loves exploring the wind on his Earth Day walk. Don't you, Kelvin? Kelvin loves learning about the wind on Earth Day. Look at that pinwheel go. Do you know there are so many designs for homemade pinwheels that you can make at home, even with just the stuff you have around your house? So go online with your parents or a grown-up and look up how to make a pinwheel. You can learn all about wind science. Thanks, Kelvin. Kelvin loves listening for birds on his Earth Day nature walk. Do you hear them? Did you hear the woodpecker? Oh, there it goes again. There's a nest. Remember, Kelvin says you have to be really quiet if you're going to look for birds on your nature walk. Kelvin, we don't have time to make candy on our nature walk, but if the kids at home want to make some candy, you can look up recipes for candied violets. Kelvin, you have to make yours later. We're making a movie right now. Come on. Kelvin's been exploring botany on his Earth Day walk. He just learned the difference between deciduous and coniferous trees. Evergreens. And they're fun to bounce on too, right, Kelvin? I'm so glad that Kelvin reminds me to smell the flowers on our Earth Day walk. Smell them? Kelvin and I sure had fun on the nature hike today for Earth Day. I hope that you and your flat Kelvin can also get outside and celebrate Earth Day. This is the 50th anniversary of this very special holiday. No other planet has an Earth Day, just ours. So you should take this opportunity to celebrate the 50th anniversary of Earth Day with Kelvin, whether you're a Girl Scout or a Sci Day kid or a homeschooler or an at-home schooler or just a grown-up who's really tired of isolation. I hope you have a very happy Earth Day, and thank you to Gaylord Nelson and UNESCO and everyone who made Earth Day possible for the last 50 years. And it's up to you kids to keep this going for the next 50 years. Can't wait to see you and Kelvin on your 100th Earth Day hike. Bye! Whew. All of that hiking and walking sure has tired Kelvin out. So now he's gonna take his Earth Day nap in the grass. Nighty night, Kelvin. Bye everyone, I hope you enjoyed our little walk for Earth Day. Bye. Remember, if you missed Kelvin's other video of his Earth Day activities, you can go watch that one next. Hope you enjoyed our hike.